Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our new video. In this video I will show you how to add or remove toolbar in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First we will open our Microsoft Word. Then we looking at the right corner of the Word. We see the collapse the ribbon. We click this ribbon. Now our toolbar hide. Then we add our toolbar to click on our keyboard. Now our toolbar is hide. Now we will add the toolbar to click our keyboard shortcut Ctrl F1. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.